Namaste, friends, and welcome to Madurai, a city known not only for its grand temples and vibrant cultures but also for its strong connections to India's freedom movement. Today, we step into one of its most iconic landmarks, the Gandhi Memorial Museum. This museum is not just about artifacts and photographs, it's about reliving the journey of the Mahatma, his ideals, and his deep bond with India's struggle for independence. Next to this, we have Government Museum of Madurai, which they have a lot of artifacts about the culture and coins and the tools they have used in the olden times. So all that landmark and history of Madurai has been preserved here in this Government Museum. The Gandhi Memorial Museum was established 1959, housed inside the historic Tamukam Palace, a structure that itself dates back nearly 300 years. It was gifted by the Tamil Nadu government to honor Gandhiji's memory and his priceless contribution to the nation. Inside the museum, they preserved a wide range of historical items from rare photographs, manuscripts, and personal letters to the blood-stained cloth worn by Gandhiji during his final moments in Delhi. But during when I visited in August 2025, there was a slight changes in the experience. The main building was under renovation. Due to the renovation, the museum had moved most of exhibits into a smaller gallery. Here, visitors can mainly see the photocopies of original letters and documents that narrated Gandhi's journey and the milestones of the freedom struggle. The actual artifacts, original collections, and rare pieces remain safely preserved in the main building, which is expected to reopen soon, probably a couple of months after my visit. So, if you are planning to come here later, make sure to check the renovation status once the main building reopens. And the experience will be far more immersive, allowing you to see history come alive in front of your eyes. And in the small gallery, they also have the bookstore of most of the books is published on Gandhiji and philosophies of Ahimsa and Satyagraha. One of the most magical moments is being here during the rainy season, when raindrops fall softly over the palace walls, the gardens, and the outer corridors. The whole environment takes on completely a different character. The calmness of surroundings, the rhythmic sound of raindrops, and the cool air creates a feeling of peace, almost like nature itself is playing a melodic tune. Standing there watching the museum in the rain, you feel a sense of serenity, a moment where history and nature comes together in harmony. So the Gandhi Memorial Museum is more than a building. It's a reminder of values that shaped our nation. Whether it's Gandhiji's simplicity, his truthfulness, or his unshakable beliefs in non-violence, every corner of this palace speaks of those timeless lessons. So if you are visiting Madurai, make sure to stop by this museum and remember the main building should reopen soon after August 2025. So plan your trip accordingly to witness the original treasure on display. Along with that, don't miss the exploring the government museum nearby. And if you are lucky to be here on a rainy day, pause for a while outside, listen to the rain, soak into the calmness, and let the moment remind you of Gandhiji's peaceful vision for the world. And there is a minimal entry charges for these museums, guys, like 10 rupees they would charge. And this is not just a moment, it's a journey into the history, peace, and inspiration. And thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of Gandhi's Memorial Museum in Madurai. If you enjoyed this, stay tuned for more journeys across India's culture and spiritual landmarks. This is Weberi signing off.